last yesterday. Yeah. The reason how many days, how many days, ano ko ba sasabihin na ate? I'm getting ready to make me some, oh, okay, coffee. Hindi ako nakakapag-live, di ba? 4 million in the house, Miguel up, shout out. Hirap na pag may mga bisita. Ano, Diyos ko Lord, Marimag. May bisita kang ba mga ano, around the world. 3 million in the house, Miguel up, shout out. Diyos ko, Marimag. Pahirapan to ba? Para pahirapan. Yeah, it's already did my papi. You know, remember my papi. Pahirapan na tayo ito. Sumali in the house, Miguel of shoutout. Guys, palablab mo sa nakapin ko. Salamat. Malapit na po yan si Kuya Ice Mix din, malapit na mag-start. Sino nga ba yun ako? Langga Chloe. Palablab naman po. Mali. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Mega love, shout out everyone, shout out. Listen ko yun. Yes, I do remember you though. Yeah, already did. Oh, because I'm so sad. How many days I don't have live in YouTube because you know my puppies already did last yesterday. So sad. Yeah, I'm so sad. 4 million in the house. Mega love, shout out. Sino nga ba inano ko? Tingnan mo, nakalimutan ko na. Hindi naman sila na-upload. Ginaba ko ba sila na-upload? Hintahan ko lang akong para sure. Yeah, already did. Tyron is so sad. It's very love my puppy. But maybe it's not mine. Yeah, already did. 2 million in the house. May love, shout out everyone. Ano kasi dyan? Oh. Hindi ako nakakaano eh. Hindi natin silang uploading. Ngayon ko lang ni-live to kasi nga tagal na ng live ko na to. Hindi ko pa ma-live kasi you know, you have problem. $1 million in the house. Mega love, shout out everyone. Shout out. Thank you so much for coming, guys. Thank you everyone. Thank you. So chubby na talaga ako. Chubby na talaga ako. So, hindi naman nag-ano yung kay MG ko. Mega love, shout out everyone. Shout out po. Wala pa naman akong ano ngayon, pero dinala ko yung aking mga starters. New Hope, Mega love, shout out. Kasi mega love, shout out everyone. Natin signal. Live muna ako habang hindi pa ako matulog. Eye bags ko. Mega love, shout out everyone. Shout out. Ay, ba nakalis sa eye bag ko.